Hello everybody, today we will learn about Java methods. Currently I'm experiencing problem in my server. You see from this one bar. Okay, we have all this method. Sadly I can't show you what's up because my compiler is acting up. Let's just open Notepad. So we have an add here. We want to add 15, then add 20, add 30. This will create a list with this type of order. So the first order will be 15, then 20, then 30. Think of it like a train. This is the train's head, then train's tail. If we were to put at 15 and then at 30, then at 20, this will swap places like this. So when we try to read the data, for example, let's say this is a class alpha, collection alpha. Okay, it's a container. If you add the alpha with 15, 30, 20, it becomes this one. And then if you want to read it with a for loop, you will basically do this. Iterating from the first 0 will be 15, and then 1 will be 30, and 2 will be equals to 20. That's all for add. And then we have add all in here. Add all adds a container to another container. So say we have a collection called alpha and collection animal. The animal has shepherd and retriever. Alpha have beta, delta. So if you were to access, use the add all like this, alpha dot add all animal. This will append the animal to alpha container. Result with this. When you try to read it, becomes all beta, delta, then shepherd, and retriever. Yep, this will be the data, the new data of the list. So this is the train's head, train's tail. Okay, on to the next. We have a clear method. This method is used to remove all the elements from any list. So if we were to clear it now, let's say alpha dot clear, then it will clear the alpha collection. So when you try to read the alpha, for example like this, alpha 0 will be equals to null, not beta. And for clone, this method is used to return a shallow copy of an array list. Let's say if you want to clone animal, clone, and you want to store it into another collection called monsters, then this will clone the shepherd and retriever into the monster collection. So when you try to read the monster collection, let's say this, it will equal to shepherd. Okay, then we have contains. Returns true if this list contains specified element. It checks whether or not, let's see, monster dot contains monsters that contains if monster has a shepherd in its data, in its element, then it will return true or else false. In this case it will return to true because we clone the animal collection into the monster, therefore we have a shepherd on this copy. For the other type, we have a for each performs the given action for each element of the iterator until all elements have been processed or the action throws an exception. This is simple for each, like in Python, say for each, and then the conditional, and then for every, let's say every element will result into an action. So we have a shepherd, we want it to reverse to a palindrome, then it will reverse it. The get returns the element at a specified position in the list. The get is very simple. Okay, so now we have monster with an animal clone inside. We put get monster dot get. To clarify, this is an array list. Okay, of type string. Monster dot get 0 will return shepherd, and monster dot get home equals to retriever. And say if a collection is empty, how do we know? Well, in Java arraylist there's a method called isEmpty, which basically checks if, let's say, if the monster is empty, which is equals to false, because it has a clone, therefore it's not empty. On to the next, we have stuff like remove, and remove all works the same as the other one, the at and at all, but you just remove it with an index. Say we want to remove retriever, then we do monster.remove 1. This will remove retriever element, and then their size, let's say monster.size. This will return the total element in the container, which is 2, shepherd and retriever. Okay, that's all I'm gonna explain for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like buttons.